Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Kirinyaga house. It's finally done and we are about to do the full tour of the house. With me, we have the Batir consultants to my right, and to my left we have...
Sammy Wambua, Precast Solutions.
Yeah. My name is Nick Muema from Property Noma.
I am Fidelis Maiba, a quantity surveyor and a project manager.
I am Felicita Gikonyo, a realtor and also a project manager.
In part 1, we talked about the construction details of this house. Things like the foundation, the walling, the roofing, the technical aspects that are needed, that you need to know when you're about to build your home. But in this part, we are going to focus mostly on the aesthetics and the interior spaces. So congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Maiba, for finishing this home.
Yes.
How does it feel to fulfill such a project?
We are happy because, a client with the budget that she has wants to enter into our house. So normally we are usually frustrated when the project is not complete. You are leaving the client who has not come into the house. But now we are happy that we are finished. Now she can be able to use the house at her own will.
Yeah. You touched on the budget. Yeah. So Mrs. Maiba, kindly expound on the budget of this house, the total cost to this point.
So this is a 2-bedroom bungalow with a budget of 2.3 million up to where it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Inclusive of the store and the chicken house?
No, the store and the chicken house was separate. Okay. The house was 2.3, the house only, without the external works. Yeah. Yes.
With me, we have Sammy from Precast. Kindly tell us how you knew the client and how you managed to realize her dream.
Oh yeah, one I will still say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Again, I never get tired of thanking you for supporting our business, believing in us, and believing that we can deliver your projects. We are forever grateful for this, and we are always also grateful to God for the miles that He has taken us, and even for making people believe in our products. This is good. We are grateful, forever grateful. The client saw me on the YouTube, the things we do, and then she was interested. And actually, she had to travel her way to our offices. She came without a plan. We had a discussion, a long one. Many times she came here and there. Then I called Batir. They came. We had a meeting with the client again and again. It's been a journey, but the thing is, the work has been good. I like it when it starts from a journey, from unknown. Everyone with an expectation that I expect to have a house. I don't know the way forward. And I also expect to build someone a house. I don't know the way forward. But when it comes now to this day that you're able to see the house, the client is happy, you're also happy, I think that is worth living for. So at Kingdom Precast Solutions, that is what we live for. So that's how I met the client. And from there, the journey has been together with Batir. So this far, that's how we've come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are there any adjustments with the original design to what we have now today?
Okay, for now, what was designed by architects in the office, it has a small change in terms of the upper part and the CNCs that are here. But these are client's modifications that you just check on the budget whether it's possible or not possible. Like for the CNC, it's the client came up with the idea. So you can modify your house as well as possible. We just have a discussion how and the costings of modifications, then we can continue the project.
Yeah, you can say it's customizable.
Yeah, it's customizable.
It's not fixed, the design.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we can start off by talking about the exterior facade of the house.
Yeah.
Starting off, this is the front of the house.
Yes.
We have a wall that is fully painted and the CNC cuttings. Yeah. Do you know the color scheme for this house or for the exterior?
Okay, for the exterior, for the main color, the one that looks gray, it's pigeon. That's the name of the color. Then for the CNC and the windows, that is natural cedar and now the brown for the moldings. Yes.
You've gotten the names of the colors,
Crown
because I know
paints.
All
some of
crown
you
paint.
will ask in the comments.
Yeah.
All right, the CNC, did you do it locally here in Kirinyaga, or did you have to get them from Nairobi?
We got the materials from Gikomba, Nairobi. So, but they were all installed here by the welders, but
Yeah.
all materials were coming from Nairobi.
Yeah,
Yeah, except the steel work. The steel works, we got them from around.
yeah. I
Yes.
was asking particularly the
The
CNC.
CNC, yeah.
Do you know the cost of CNC for someone who is curious to know the price?
Okay, CNC comes in small batches. One batch is around 6,000, 7,000. It's around 6,000.
7,000.
Around 7,000. Yeah, now, but when you, for this, they have used like 3 or 4. So the budget was coming to around 27,000.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Maiba, we can showcase the interior of the house. Just before we go inside,
Yeah.
why do we have this wall here at the front?
The land is sloping, so we didn't want water coming on the inside of the house,
Yeah.
and we could not have raised the house too high because of the gradient. The lower side, you see that in the videos, it's very high.
Yeah.
So this was the topmost height we would have worked with. That's why now we did this wall to prevent the surface runoff, so
Yeah.
that water can move on the end sides.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And behind the wall, you did some tiling.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This was the client's choice. She wanted a walkway here, so we added it afterwards. Then we were able to tile it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's now at our entry now.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
When it comes to CNC,
Yeah.
these design patterns, are they customizable, or how do you choose your design now?
The designs are 1,000, more than 1,000.
Okay.
But now mostly the client had come to our place. Maybe she loved the design. So there are different options in terms of CNC. It's just a black mabati, a black sheet. Now it is cut with the machines, with a machine based on the pattern that you want.
Yeah.
So you can achieve any pattern you'd want.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is what she chose now.
Yeah. She chose this, and that's what we worked with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sliding door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Which leads into
To the entry. Now this is the
entry porch.
the entry porch. Yeah. So she wanted a space. Maybe you can come in.
Yeah.
She wanted a space where maybe you can be able to sit down without the rain.
Yeah,
and
without
a lot of people seeing you.
Without any direct sunlight.
And you see, it's a very good space.
Yeah.
You can even stay here even at night.
Yeah, you can chill here. Because you see where you are standing on the outside, you are facing the sun.
Yeah, we are facing
But when you're inside here,
Yeah.
you can't feel the sun.
Yeah, and it's burglar proof. It has even the kufuli, so
Yeah.
you can lock it.
Yeah.
You can be able to lock it and put a kufuli there, so you are safe to be here in the. Even it's a burglar. People will not come into your house. Yeah.
So it's on top of being aesthetically pleasing.
Yes.
It's burglar proofing.
It's burglar proofing. Yeah. It's a wonderful space here.
All right.
Yeah.
Kindly lead us into the home.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay. Oh, lovely.
Thank you.
It's cool inside
Yeah.
here. We were boiling outside.
Yeah, the sun. It's in the morning. It's around 10.
Yeah.
So the sun is quite hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Open plan living room and kitchen.
Yes.
So this small space here is like a mini dining.
The dining is around that space.
Oh, here, okay.
So the seats will be around that place. Here it's just like a small dining. But if you don't want to use that dining, you can just put your chair here and use this as the dining.
Yeah.
So it's an option that one can explore.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like how everything was blended together.
Yeah. It's the color palettes for the client.
Yeah.
She chose the colors. So you see this, the color is matching with the tiles.
Yeah.
So it's her
color
she has
scheme.
a good eye.
Yeah, she has a good eye. Very good eye.
Very good eye.
Yes.
Yes.
So this was all panels before.
Yeah.
I remember the countertops.
Yeah, the countertops were panels.
Yeah.
Even that area is all panels. Then we did the cabinets. So most people ask whether cabinets are being held by the precast. People can see it's very stable.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
And the countertops?
The
Are these granite or tiles?
This is the normal ceramic tiles,
Okay.
the long ones. We got them at Kerugoya town, and it's a good finish if you're working with budget, because for this place we spent like around 9,000 shillings.
Yeah.
But if you would have used the granite, this is close to 50 to 60,000 having just this.
Okay.
So you see there is a price change of more than 50,000 working with the tiles.
Yeah.
Yes.
And here we have the double sink,
Yes, yes.
the rotatable
Yeah,
tap.
yeah. Maybe she has put on the water. Not yet.
No, not yet.
We went with her yes, to the in the hardware, so it was her choice for the sink, the taps, and everything in the bathroom.
Yeah.
She made the choice.
Remember in the Kirigiti house, you used a different kind of cabinetry.
Yes, yes.
Is this MDF or the same as that one?
Nowadays we are using this type of cabinet. It's called the particle board because it's light.
Okay.
We said it is heavy on the
hinges.
The hinges. Now this is light. It will not have breakages. Normally the MDF is heavy.
Yeah.
So we work with the particle boards nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the client has to do is choose the design.
Yeah, yeah. She chose the design, even the height. Most people they will tell us that it's low, but the client ordered how she can fit on. She can be able to reach on everything. That's why even I came and asked my fundi why they were low, but it was the client's choice.
Okay.
Yes.
How did you cover up the ceiling now? Because as you used chipboard, how did you cover the lines?
The fundi that we are using has kept the filler to make it smooth, but eventually because of the heat, the chipboard, although it's 9mm, it's usually have a lot of up and down because of the heat.
Yeah.
So either way it will come to crack. It cracks because of the heat, even at the joints. The heat is too much, but we try as much as possible to minimize it and use as many nails, but eventually some cracks will appear, but they can be made afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah, so the best solution is doing the normal gypsum. The gypsum is crack proof.
Yeah.
But now the budget is what separates the two.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Also like this kind of windows.
Yeah, the long windows.
Yeah, the long windows. They really go well with panels.
To bring in a lot of light,
Yeah.
a lot of light in the house, and it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Right.
So we can enter the first bedroom. We have two windows here for maximum light. Right now you can see it's dark because of the one-way windows.
Yeah.
But when you open, it
Brings in light.
in a lot of light.
Yeah.
Yeah, the client wanted the glasses. The cabinetries are already finished. We finished up on the cabinetries. Yeah, these are for the curtain rods.
Okay.
So I think it's a good space, yeah, for her home. Yes. And the doors are laminated. We usually use the laminate doors.
Yeah.
So that even if there is water, they cannot get destroyed.
Yeah. Kindly remind us the size in square meter for the entire house.
The entire house. The entire house, we had said 60, but after I did the actual measurements, around 68 square meter. Our architects, maybe they wanted to expand the house kidogo.
Yeah.
But we are working with that budget.
All right.
So we can, this is the
Common bathroom.
the only.
All right.
We had done two. She said we change. So we expanded one so that the master can have a bigger room.
Yeah. Yeah.
So all these are her choice. She wanted all these
Flowery
materials.
tiles.
Even the tiles, we went to the hardware. She
Yeah.
chose the flowers. I was like, hey. But it's her choice, it's her home.
Yeah.
So we worked with what she chose. Yes, yes.
And also this kind of shower.
Yeah, for a shower like
The
this.
showering.
Yeah, it is quite expensive,
Yeah, it
because
looks
the
expensive.
budget of this is around 8,000 shillings and the other one is around 2,000. So that's why we say prices. You can say that this house is 2.4 and the other one we are doing at around 2 million. You see what you are getting as a change.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now
So
the final room.
the master bedroom.
Yeah,
It's quite
definitely
spacious.
bigger.
Yeah, because she decided to remove one of the washrooms. That's why it's quite big. When you open the windows, you see it's one way. That's why
It blocks light from the
It
outside.
blocks lights, but when you open the windows during the day, the maximum light.
Light.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And the big glass. She wanted to see
Big
herself.
mirror.
Oh yeah, the mirror. She wanted to see herself.
If you stand here, you're able to see yourself.
Yeah, able to see her from head to toe. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is the house. You will see the chicken house. It was just a store and a place where she'll be having her chicken. And it's
All made with precast.
Yeah, all made in precast, but they have not yet finished up because she's building the cages for the chicken.
I like how the house has turned out to be. It's very simple. I like the color scheme, the cedar brown, the pigeon color on the outside.
Yes.
And also the warm colors on the interior. So you and the client both work together to make this house a reality. And at the same time, very beautiful.
Thank you.
So I know, guys, some of you would want a similar house. You can get in touch with Mr. Maiba or Mrs. Maiba from Batir Consultants. I'll leave their contact information on the pinned comment or in the description section of YouTube. Kindly reach out to them at your own convenience. Share, like, and leave a comment on your thoughts about this house. On their behalf, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.